episode. We're the Vegan Voyagers, and it's moving day.
It's my favorite. No, it's just we got to put everything away and clean everything up, and so it's like spring cleaning every 2 weeks essentially.
Which I love. Get a full sweeping in this house. But it's nice, so we delegate our tasks. I do the inside, and Aaron takes care of the outside, and we meet in the middle in the car when we're ready to go.
Yeah, it works out pretty well time-wise. It takes us both about
an
hour to an hour and a half, depending on how many extra activities like dishes or if we leave a bunch of things outside. So, you know, it works out pretty well that we both kind of have the same amount of work, and like she said, we meet in the truck.
We got it done. So we've been staying at this park, Chester Frost, and we've had a really nice spot. Had a campfire one night with friends, and we're right on the lake. So we've had a nice lake view all week, which has been nice. So we're gonna pack up and then hit the road, and we don't have a very long drive today. We're heading towards Gatlinburg, Tennessee. So we're still in our 24th state. And it should just be a quick like 2 or 3 hour drive.
Yeah, we actually won't hit a new state for about another 6 or 7 weeks, just the route that we're taking.
But it won't even be a new state, it'll be a state we've already been in.
Well, that's what I'm saying, like, because we got Ohio, and then Indiana, and then finally Milwaukee, or Wisconsin.
Okay, let's do it.
It's early in the morning.
Let's make it happen.
Picked the sleep out of my eyes yet.
Make it happen. Ready, go. So I have to take these bowls down when we move. So I stack them and then put them here so they don't move. And then everything else is so tightly packed that nothing else really moves. got to do anything after we got home.
Yeah, but it was also kind of nice to just get cleaned up and relax.
Which, I'm gonna show you the showers. It was like the best shower I've ever had. We're still at a state park, so we're not on full hookup, so we shower in the campground showers, and they are hit or miss everywhere we go. These are the best ones.
They're huge.
They're like a full room.
You got your bathroom built in right there. It's like having a home bathroom, essentially.
It was nice. So we geeked out on a nice shower, and then we went to go see A Quiet Place last night. We went to see a movie.
Yeah,
which was pretty good.
It was intense.
It
made me think about how loud I was breathing.
It was good. And then we just came home and it was still light outside. It was just like kind of a day, you know, like travel days are hard for us. It's probably the one day we argue the most.
Yeah.
Get in fights. So just we were done. We got here and we were done. So that's it for this video.
Yeah, if you like what you're doing, if you like what you're doing.
If you like what you're doing.
If you like what we're doing, hit that like button. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button.
Leave us any comments down below. Let us know what you want us to be making videos about. We're off to go see Gatlinburg and Pigeon Forge today, so you'll have to check out our next video for that.
See ya.
See ya.